everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will take you along to shop with me for some patriotic and Americana decor for the summer, 4th of July celebrations, and Memorial Day. My Hobby Lobby is fully stocked and had a great variety of really unique and fun pieces for the summer. They have a lot of different accessories and decor pieces, from vases, wreaths, flags, wall art, tabletop decor, perfect little touches for the 4th of July on your shelving or coffee tables. They also have a lot of outdoor decor, along with accessories for picnics, arts and crafts, and family fun games for barbecues and family get-togethers. Please stay to the end. I have a really fun surprise I would really like to share with you.
Don't need to worry, somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fears decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry, somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Waiting down the line. So don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry, somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. There will be someone waiting down the line. You can't turn the tide. Let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry, somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fears decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry, somebody's waiting pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Waiting down the line. So don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. There will be someone waiting down the line. You can't turn the tide. Let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody is waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Waiting down the line.
So here's the surprise, and yes, you are seeing correctly, they are already stocking the shelves with fall decor. I was really surprised. However, I know this will make some of you very happy. And I thought it would be really fun to share a sneak peek with you. enjoyed today's video and you got some ideas and inspiration on some summer decor or ideas on some summer items that you may want for the holidays coming up. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and please subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. It is really helpful as I try to grow my channel. I recently posted a video on how to style your kitchen island for spring, so please check that out. It will be linked at the end of this video and in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next one.